Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wa ala ahlihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. You're welcome to this first lecture, in which I shall be explaining the first letter of the Arabic alphabet, which is the letter Alif. The Arabic alphabet is made up of 28 letters, and the first of them, which is the Alif, is written as a downward stroke with Hamza on top to produce the sound A, as in pan. Here are three words that start with the letter Alif Hamza. They are Arnabun, Ibelun, Udunun. Arnabun means rabbit, and Ibelun, camel. Udunun means ear. The words again are Arnabun, Ibelun, Udunun. Arnabun, Ibelun, Udunun. Arnabun, Ibelun, Udunun. Now I shall write the letter Alif Hamza on this line. I shall start writing from the right because Arabic is written from the right to the left. Alif Hamza A. Alif Hamza A. Alif Hamza A. Now that I've written the letter Alif Hamza for you, practice writing yours in your worksheets. There are 2 sheets for each letter in the worksheet. The first sheets are for tracing each of the letters, and the second sheets are for you to write the letters on your own. Now use those of the Alif Hamza to practice writing the letter. Also download the memory card for the letter Alif Hamza to match the pictures and their words. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.